Hello students, welcome back to Smat Maths Exercises. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Your support motivates us to create more videos and subscribing ensures you will get notified whenever we upload new content. Let's get started. In the previous video, we have solved first and second main of exercise 8.1. Click the link displayed above to watch it. In this video, we will be solving from third main. Third main. Find the perimeter of the squares whose measurements are given below. First question. Side is equals to 50.2 centimeter. Side is equals to 50.2 centimeter. Let us represent perimeter of side as POS. POS, perimeter of square. So to find out perimeter of square, formula is 4 into sides. Side is already given here. So 4 into 50.2. Multiply 4 into 50.2. 50.2 into 4. 4 2s are 8, 4 zeros are 0, 4 5s are 20, and there is a decimal point after one digit. So it is 200.8. 200.8 centimeter. Second question. Side is equals to 21.8 centimeter. Side is equals to 21.8 centimeter. Perimeter of square equals to 4 into side. Side is 21.8. So 4 into 21.8. Multiply 21.8 into 4. 4 8s are 32. 4 1s are 4 plus 3, 7. 4 2s are 8. There is decimal point after one number. So it is 87.2 centimeter. Next question. Side is equal to 7.62 centimeter. Side is equals to 7.62 centimeter. Perimeter of square is 4 into side. Multiply 4 into 7.62. 7.62 into 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 6 are 24. 4 7s are 28 plus 2, 30. There is decimal point after two digits. So it is 30.48. 30.48 centimeter. Next question. Side equals to 98 centimeter. Side equals to 98 centimeter. Perimeter of square equals to 4 into sides. So 4 into 98. Multiply 4 into 98. 4 8s are 32. 4 9s are 36. 36 plus 3, 39. So answer is 392 centimeter. Next main. Find the perimeter of the triangles whose measurements are given below. First question is 5 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 9 centimeter. First question is 5 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 9 centimeter. Let us denote perimeter of triangle as POT, and the formula is sum of the lengths of its sides. Here we have all three sides. We only have to add these sides and write the answer. So add 5 plus 8 plus 9. 5 plus 8 plus 9 is 22. So answer is 22 centimeter. Next question. 6 centimeter, 7 centimeter, 7 centimeter. 6 centimeter, 7 centimeter, 7 centimeter. Perimeter of triangle is sum of the length of its sides. So add 6 plus 7 plus 7. 6 plus 7 plus 7. 6 plus 7 plus 7 is 20. So answer is 20 centimeter. Next question. See, 8 centimeter, 11 centimeter, 6 centimeter. 8 centimeter, 11 centimeter, 6 centimeter. So add 8 plus 11 plus 6. 8 plus 11 plus 6. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. 1 plus 1 is 2. So answer is 25 centimeter. Next question. D. 14.5 centimeter, 8.5 centimeter, 20 centimeters. Perimeter of triangle. So add all this. 14.5 plus 8.5 plus 20. 14.5, 8.5, 20.0. We don't have anything here, so we write 0. 5 plus 5, 10. 4 plus 8, 12 plus 1, 13. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. So we add this decimal point. Since we have 43.0, we can omit 0 and write 43 centimeter. Thank you. See you in the next video.